Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since I made a video, but unfortunately there was no interesting job apart from some computer assemblies and new computers that I built and some minor software problems that I dealt with all this period. And also I became a father. I have a 3 months baby girl. So I had really no time to record new videos and stuff. But today I have a simple job and I thought let's make a video just to upload to the channel to keep the flow of the videos, because it's been almost 3 months since I made a video. So today we have a keyfob, an Opel keyfob, and the problem is that the battery connector has been broken from the PCB. So it's an easy job. We just have to solder the negative pole on the PCB. Let's do it. It's not something difficult. Let me show you on the microscope the problem. So this is the key fob. I have opened the case. As you can see here, this part of the battery has been broken from the PCB. So what we have to do is just to solder it here and it will solve the problem. So let's switch back to the main camera and let's try to remove the PCB from the case. Let's see if we can do that easily without breaking anything. Yes, it's easy. So that's the PCB, and we have to just solder it here. It's easy, so let's do it. We put some flux. Show you with a microscope what I'm doing here. All right. Put some flux here. And we will also put a tiny bit of solder here, and it will fix the problem. All right. I think we are okay. Yes, and here let's put some flux first. All right. Yes, I think we are good now. All right. Yes, now it's good. It went flush on the board. Yes. Yes, perfect. Okay. That was the problem. The job is fixed. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Let's measure also the battery. Yes, the battery is new, 3.2 volts. It's okay. We'll put the battery inside the case and measure. We can measure from top with a plus here, here. What? What is going on here? Oh, sorry, we should measure from here to here. Yes. We should measure from here to here. And yes, we have connection. All right. So the key fob is fixed. Let's put it back on the case. Let's put back together. The plastic goes like this. And this one goes like this. All right. And the keys make this sound, clack, clack, so it's okay. So I have to give it back to the customer and test it. I don't have a test equipment to test if the IR and everything is working, but I think it should. But because the only problem was the battery connector was not soldered on the PCB. So that was the video. It was a short one. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with more videos. I hope I will have interesting jobs to show you. And see you in the next one. Bye.